Welcome! In today's video, we will teach you how to make your account public on the Threads app. Threads is a popular photo and video sharing application designed as an add-on for Instagram. Making your account public allows you to share your content with a wider audience, attracting new followers and increasing the visibility of your posts. This useful feature of the Threads app enables you to share your moments, stories, and experiences with people all around the world. Whether you are an influencer looking to expand your reach or simply want your creativity to be noticed, making your account public on Threads can be a crucial step in achieving your goals. In this step-by-step guide, we will explain the process of easily setting up your account as public on the Threads app. We will show you how to customize privacy settings, enable access to all users, and explore additional options that can be helpful in managing your public account. Get ready to expand your circle of followers, share your moments with people who share your interests, and build your presence on this popular platform. Without further delay, let's embark on a journey of discovering how to make your account public on a Threads app. The first step is to open your Threads app on your phone. Afterward, click on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, you will notice a small lock button at the top left corner, indicating that your account is currently set to private. To proceed, simply tap on that button at the top left. Now, at the top of the screen, you can see that your account is set to private. To make it public, you need to click on the switch and turn off the private account option. Confirm by clicking on OK one more time. And now, if you go back, you will see that at the top left, it has switched from a lock icon to a small globe icon. This indicates that your account is now set to public, allowing anyone to follow you on Threads. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below, and I will be happy to answer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.